Hey, do you have the audacity to make an Unreal video game? Actually, scratch that. This sounds like I just put a bunch of softwares into a blender just to mix them up. I need to look in the mirror and face the fact that too much of anything takes away the unity of it all. Okay, let's get started. In this video, I will show you free and easy software options for game design and development. I've separated this video into 4 different categories. Let's start with ideation. This is the part of the process where a lot of brainstorming happens, so it's important to have collaborative spaces that are easy to use. Of course, you have Google Drive and Microsoft Office and the good old paper, pencil, whiteboard, etc. But here are 2 new features, Miro and Figma. Miro is great for making choice trees for your video game and has ample space for people to drop ideas. Figma is one of my favorites. It's perfect for prototyping the UI and the UX of your video game. Now let's get some audio into your game. I'm going to focus on 2 different types, searching online and making it yourself. Free Music Archive, Freesound, and Audacity are royalty-free websites that have music that you can download. I've used Free Music Archive for some of my own YouTube videos, and Freesound is perfect for finding sound effects. If you're feeling independent, try a hand at making your own audio with GarageBand. I'll be honest, I love graphics. I've whittled down the list to 10, but that's still a lot, so we're going to do a lightning round for this one. Just looking to paint, digital art style? Try a File Packer, Medipaint Paint Pro, or GIMP. Not artistically inclined but still want aesthetics? Try out Canva. Are your graphics supposed to be in 3D? Make your own models in Blender, Tinkercad, or SculptGL. For sample models, auto-rigging features, and downloadable animations, use Mixamo. For motion capture fun, try out Rococo. And finally, the Unity Asset Store is great for finding a variety of models. Not all are free though. Done. Did I win? Huh? What do you mean this wasn't a race? I won. Alright, last but not least, game development. Game development requires the game to be, well, developed. The type of game you're developing can heavily influence the software that you use to develop it. Unity, an industrial standard, but it makes both 2D and 3D games. It's very versatile, so you can develop a variety of games on it. Game Maker, similar to Unity, but easier to navigate and a little more basic. RPG Maker, you can easily make 2D role-playing games in this software. It also comes with PC and RD characters you can mix and match to make your own. If you want something different, you can also import your own designs as well. Twinery, great for text-based choose your own adventure games. Unreal Engine, great for 3D game creation and has a lot of tools. Scratch, perfect for beginners, but limited in versatility for game mechanics. P5.js, another good one for beginners, especially since it comes with its own reference library. Also limited in game mechanics, but you can make some pretty things on it. Well, I hope this video helps you know where to get started for game design and development. If you know any other free software options, send them down in the comments. Now I've got a game to develop, so I'll catch you on the flip side. Good luck!